Sahih Al-Bukhari 3381, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallaho wasallam said, "Do not enter the ruined dwelling of those who are unjust to themselves unless you enter weeping, lest you should suffer the same punishment as was inflicted upon them." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3382, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The honorable is the son of the honorable, the honorable, i.e. Yusuf, the son of Yaqub, the son of Ishaq, the son of Ibrahim." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3383, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, "Who is the most honorable amongst the people?" He replied, "The most Allah-fearing." The people said, "We do not want to ask you about this." He said, "The most honorable person is Yusuf, Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's Khalil." The people said, "We do not want to ask you about this." He said, "Then you want to ask me about the origins of the Arabs. People are various origins. The best in the pre-Islamic period are the best in Islam, provided they comprehend the religious knowledge." Sahih Al-Bukhari 3384, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to her, "Order Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha to lead the people in prayer." She replied, "Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is a soft-hearted person, and when he stands at your place, he will weep, so he will not be able to lead the." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated the same order, and she gave the same reply. The narrator Shoba radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on the third or fourth time, "You are like the female companions of Yusuf." Order Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to lead the prayer. Al-Bukhari 3385, narrated Abu Musa radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam fell ill, he said, "Order Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to lead the people in prayer." Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, "Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is a soft-hearted person." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the same order again, and she again gave the same reply. He again said, "Order Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to lead the prayer. You are like the female companions of the Yusuf." Consequently, Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha lead the people in prayer in the lifetime of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.